Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in the market for a rice cooker that would make my life easier and cook up delicious, well-prepared rice with minimal effort from myself. And I got all of that and more in this rice cooker from MAGiC. It was very easy to use. Because of the measuring line inside the bowl, I knew exactly how much rice I needed to put in. I also love that it comes with a veggie steamer container that I was able to cook along with my rice, and my carrots came out soft and delicious. The whole kit includes the rice cooker, the vegetable steamer, a non-stick rice bowl, measuring cups, 2 scoop spoons, and a cord. And it's very simple to use. I measured and rinsed my rice, added some water, added some raw carrots from the fridge, and pushed the start button. There are several different settings that you can choose from. I put it on white rice, and my vegetables and rice were ready in about 30 minutes. It's impressive because this is not just a rice cooker. You can cook soups and stews, porridge, and even cake. So if you're looking for a beautiful and versatile helper around your kitchen, then I highly recommend this rice cooker from MAGiC. And that's my point of view.